Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Google went up 5% on the announcement of their new Gemini AI. Up 5%. I have a big Google position. My stocks are Tesla, Google, Meta, which is Facebook, TSM, Unity, and Intel. My cryptos are Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, Uniswap, BNB, FXS, Cubic. That's the main positions I'm holding. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market, and it was up 5.3% yesterday, which is massive on a $1 trillion company, or like $700 billion. I think it's 1.4 trillion. So it's went up like $70 billion or something just yesterday, which is the equivalent of like the entire crypto markets. Meta is up 2.8%, Intel up 2% yesterday. We did really good in stocks. Solana 2%, TSM 1.4%, Tesla 1.3%. I bought back into my Tesla position after that correction. If you followed my videos, we sold half and then bought back in. Doge was up a lot and then pulled back. Bitcoin 43,412. Huge pump on Bitcoin. Look at that. If we just look on the fresh chart, look at that move on Bitcoin. The top of this target I just drew out the trend lines for Bitcoin from 2017 peak, the December 2017 peak at 20,000, then the 69K peak and the 64K peak. So we have three confirmed touches here. 1, 2, 3. So this is an intact trend line. The top of this trend line, if Bitcoin was to reach it, is $100,000 for Bitcoin. The bottom of the trend line is also multiple touches. So this is the trend that Bitcoin is going to follow for a few years, most likely, unless it goes on another parabolic. This is most likely the trend line because we have 3 touches here and we have 4 or 5 touches here. So this is the trend line. You can see Bitcoin going 2025 to 100K, could correct all the way back down, but most likely not lower than 52K, December 2028. December 2029, 180 to 2030, 180K. But I do think Bitcoin will go on a parabolic. Let's go closer. Stochastic, very overbought. Usually this is the time to get out. You can see here, when it was overbought here, it was time to sell before a little bit of correction. When it was overbought here, it made a new high. See, I wait for double tops on the stochastic. When it does a double top, 1, 2, and then it's an indicator to sell here. Double top, 1, 2, indicated to get out. Double top, 1, 2, indicated to get out. So here we just have 1 so far. We haven't had a correction, then a further pump. So I still think Bitcoin has more to go. Let's look at the indicator bots. You get the Crypto Guru bot in the Crypto Guru Master Course, number 2 in the description. Still showing a blue buy, which it fired down here at 18K, blue buy, and it's still a blue buy. Let's look at the Bitcoin indicator bot. Fired a buy down here, and no sell yet. So it fired down here, a buy at 26K and no sell yet, which is interesting. Let's go closer, 4 hourly. Bitcoin, stochastic overbought, but still heading up, still bull flagging to me. On the daily, still bull flagging. Whoops, Bitcoin USDT. Broke out of that bull flag, still on the first wave. Came very close to my target, right? My target is 46,943, the first wave target. Then we'll have a second wave correction, but I'm still very bullish. Bull flag, it broke out of this bull flag from yesterday. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Look, it looks like it's making head and shoulders. Shoulder, head. If it comes down here, we need to see a pump on Bitcoin. Oversold on the 4 hourly now, but big volume spikes, still big volume spikes. A lot of volume into Bitcoin. Look at that. Compared to it's like the highest volume at the moment. So it's making new highs with bigger volume. So I'm not bearish yet. But that trend line got broken. What is Bitcoin creating here? Still bull flag. Constantly bull flag. That was a great entry for the long. On the hourly, that was a bounce, double bottom here. Place to go long can be here from this support. That's the trade I would open on Bitcoin on this trend line if it pulls back a little bit more. and then taking the long to the 46k. So I'd open a long at 42,601, stop loss 42,439, take profit 46,800, risk to at 46,900, risk to reward 27 times. So 27 times my money, risking $161 to make $4,360. Again, risking $161 to make $4,360 with no leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $43,000 profits. This is on Bitcoin per Bitcoin. So trade opens 42,601, stop loss 42,439, take profit 46,961, 27 risk to reward, which is beautiful. That's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to do Ethereum as well. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do under the video, go down below, sign up to exchanges. All these other exchanges that you use, but Bybit gives a $30,000 bonus when you sign up using this link. And you need to be signed up using this link to get my Christmas presents that I'm going to be going the 12 days till Christmas. I'm going to be announcing a lot of Christmas presents going into Christmas. So make sure you signed up using this bonus link. Sign up to OKX to get a $50,000 bonus, BingX for USA, Binance $600 bonus. To take the Crypto Master course, 12 hours of courses, learn what we do, how to set up the charts, open long, shorts, and get the bots. 3, join us in the Telegram, and you can chat with the other traders. My Bybit trade, my Bitcoin trade is now, so my Bybit account, once you sign up, you get an account like this. I've got $71,500 profit on my Bitcoin trade, up 483%, $71,472. This is a $233,000 Bitcoin trade. $71,000 profits, and in this account 493,000. It hit $500,000 yesterday and it pulled back. This account was 150,000, now $500,000, almost $500,000, which is beautiful. Bitcoin to Bitcoin, Uniswap 55,000 up 4%, Doge 55,000 down 1%, FXS 40,000 up 8%, FXS pumping. MCRT was down a little bit, down 3.8%. That's what I'm holding in this account, 493,000. Let's see if it can hit $500,000 again. My OKX Bitcoin trade is now, how much is in this trade? $5,500 in the profits. I added 1 Bitcoin to this trade back in Egypt. It's $1,400 I used to make $5,500, which is a beautiful trade. Let's quickly go into Ethereum. So that's the Bitcoin trade. Let's go into Ethereum trade. 2,300. Ethereum making new high. Broke out of the 5th wave, everyone. No corrective wave. Look, it broke out of this massive rising wedge on Ethereum. It broke out of this massive rising wedge on Ethereum. This is changing the game now here for Ethereum. This broke the 5th wave and it broke the rising wedge. Not yet in correction then. So no major correction yet for Ethereum. So the 5th wave, that means the 5th wave could take us to major resistance. I would say the strongest resistance, 2,800. So this 5th wave before any correction is going to be 2,800 on the 4th to 5th wave, which is huge move. That's where we get major resistance. We also have major resistance here. Actually, 2,677 would be big resistance. So most likely, that's where we're going to have, that 2,677 is where we're going to have big resistance. But we broke out of this big rising wedge. We broke out early. Everyone, this is a huge move. Why? Because rising wedges, if they break out, they move the base of the wedge. So this is the distance that Ethereum could be moving, 3,400. Look, it lines up with this big resistance, which is beautiful. Congratulations, anyone who was long on Ethereum. 4 hourly, I would wait for a pullback. It's making new highs. It's just climbing constantly. Where I would go long, waiting for a pullback on Ethereum here, stop loss just underneath, and take profit at the 5th wave target, 2684. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. 17 risk to reward ratio, risking $22 per Ethereum to make $384 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's 3,800, 100x leverage, $38,000 profits. Those are the trades. And don't forget, under the video, go down below, all the links to the exchanges, Bybit, that $30,000. Sign up before Christmas for the Christmas giveaways. And also join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 traders trading altogether. And you can see, these are some of the chats just this morning. People sharing trades, discussing charts. This is just this morning. Binance Zhao must stay in US until sentencing. The US lied to CZ. They gave him a deal and then they flipped the deal. Not so nice. These are just the chats inside the Telegram. Everyone's sharing Solana. Solana making new highs at 69. Thank you, Guru. look how I make your giveaway into 100 USD. So someone took that giveaway that I gave, that Christmas giveaway, that was $1,000 between split, and he made $106 from the giveaway money, which is beautiful. Congratulations, good job, everyone. Use your giveaway money to make financial, use these Christmas presents. Senator Elizabeth, Senator Warren, I don't know how she's empowered this old dinosaur dictating technological advancement. She's such a like her personality and her policies are disgusting. If you're American, vote her out. Go on to ChatGPT, ask, how do I vote out Elizabeth Warren? US Senator Elizabeth Warren says there's a new threat out there, it's crypto, and we can't allow that to continue. She's this old dinosaur. Kick old dinosaurs out of politics. These dinosaurs shouldn't exist in the political system. There should be a cap at like 50 years old. If you're not allowed to work, how are you still in the Senate? Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. Thank you everyone, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.